Today Arav is making mug cake, a healthy mug cake. Yes. So what you have in your mug? What's this? This is milk.
Milk.
2 tablespoons of milk.
2 tablespoons of milk.
And 1 tablespoon of oil. And 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla essence.
Vanilla
Okay.
essence.
Now you have to add flour in it.
This one?
Yeah.
How?
Use the tablespoons.
This?
Yeah.
The tiny one?
You can use a bigger one. This is oats flour.
This one?
And Ara will. You have to put it whole.
4? Like this?
No. It's already measured, so you can put it all in here. Use a spoon to bring it down.
A spoon. Can you give me a spoon?
I will. You can use a fork to mix it.
I will use a spoon.
A fork. Mix it. Hold it with your other hand.
This one?
Yeah, hold it like this and now try to mix it properly.
It's mixing.
Yeah. Properly. Now let's add cocoa powder and jaggery powder.
Jaggery.
Yeah, because this is a healthy mug cake, so we are
Now can I
using
mix?
jaggery powder. Yes, now you mix. Mix.
Mixing. It's very fun to mix.
It's fun to make mug cake.
It's very fun to make mug cakes together.
It's healthy and delicious.
Yes.
Come on,
Eat
mix
it.
it properly.
Yes. Is it done?
Not yet.
Is it done?
There are lumps. There should be no lumps. You have to mix it properly.
Yes, okay.
Now you also have to add mashed bananas in it.
Mash? How?
Yeah, this is mashed banana. Take it out with this spoon and put it in the mug.
It's too hard.
Too hard for you?
Yes.
You want me to help?
Yes.
Okay, wait, I'll help you. Good work, Ara. Mixing bananas. Very good. Looks nice. Now hold the mug with your one hand. Give it a support. Yes, now do it properly. Having fun?
It's fun to make it like it's like we are eating food.
You are not eating food.
No,
You are
it's
making-
like
It's like you are making mug cake. You are not eating it yet.
yes.
Now do round and round. Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
This is so gooey.
Gooey, what's that?
That's all the ingredients that are stick to this fork. That's gooey.
Okay, mix it properly. Mix it.
Otherwise, make sure the banana is all crushed,
Mashed.
mashed. Yes,
Yeah.
it's all mashed.
It's all mashed.
Yes.
But I can see some lumps in there.
You mean this?
Yeah, there should be no lumps.
Is it done?
Show me. Little bit more mixing it needs.
Okay.
What you said?
It smells good.
It smells good. You smelled it?
Hmm.
How does it smell?
Smells like a piece of bananas.
Okay, now final step. We have to add our choco chips. Come on, do it.
Just one?
All of them.
Then I need one more.
Empty the whole ball in it.
Like this?
Yeah, like this. Good work. Now mix it again. Round and round.
Like this?
Done. Yeah, just little bit of mixing.
Now what?
Now we have to put it in the microwave. You're
Yes.
right.
Let me open it for you. No, it's not.
Okay, then I will do it for you.
First I have to get down in case my head bumps.
How will it bump?
It will open like this. Then it comes a
Oh.
little bit here.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Yes, I'm always right.
Yes, you're always right. So let's put it in the microwave. Let's put our mug cake. Put it
In the microwave.
microwave.
I'm scared.
You are doing good. Close it now. Push it. Yes. Now you can stand up. Wait. Let me on it. Now for a 1 minute and then start. See?
Maybe I'll just make another cake.
No.
No.
First you finish it off, then we'll make another one if you want.
I really want to make another one.
First you finish this one.
Then it'll be another one.
Okay, fine.
After this one, we'll make another one. Yummy, 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 yummy. Even I can see myself in it.
Yeah, I can see you.
I'm going down. I'm in the mug cake now. I'm in the mug cake. I'm going down. I'm burning. And you are only burning in the microwave. Even your phone.
Even my phone?
Yes. Because I see it to you.
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
No, it's not enough.
Because it's not one over here.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
And done. Now let's check it. Wait. First we have to switch it off. Now we'll open it. And now get down first, get down.
Yeah.
Now we'll see if it's done or we need 1 more minute. I think we'll need 1 more minute, Arav. It's little bit uncooked.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Can I?
So let's give it 1 more minute. Yes. Now start. Very good. You know it how to do now?
Because you told me.
Very good, very good.
I already know. See, it says 1-1. But if we take it for 10 minutes, it will be bad. Then it gets so hot, everyone says, when will cool down? When will cool down? They'll be so angry on the cake. They'll think the cake was talking. See, that's why we have to do it for just 1 minute. 6, 2, 3, 2, 1. 9, 8, 7, 6,
26, 25.
25,
Now it's 22.
22, 21, 20, 29, 16, 15, 14, 13, 11, 10,
This is reverse accounting.
7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check it again. First we have to switch it off.
It's too far.
Now let's check it.
Let's check it yet.
Oh, your yummy cake is ready.
Can I first have a taste?
Wait, it's hot.
Outside, sit and show fan. And it's your TV time.
TV time?
Because you said TV देखना है, TV देखना है.
नहीं, टीवी नहीं देखना है.
रूम में शेल्डन कूपर.
Sheldon Cooper?
रूम में
Who's your favorite character in Sheldon Cooper?
Sheldon Cooper. He moves all around like this. He
So now our delicious cake is ready and
Let it
Ara
cool
will
down.
taste it.
is waiting till it cools down.
I'm waiting for your reviews. Eat it and tell me how's it.
How is hot?
Little bit.
Let me have it. Ah!
So hot?
So that was I was thinking I cannot eat it now.
Yeah, got to wait for a minute
How much?
because it's really hot.
Can you feed it?
You want me to feed you?
No, but stop. You can just do like this.
But it's really hot.
I don't like that cold.
It's really hot. Is it hot now? Hot?
The tiny one is hot.
Okay.
Wait a minute, then it hurts out. Good.
Good.
I wanted a one bowl.
You can eat it in mug itself.
How is hot? I don't want to eat this kind of cakes.
You made a tasty cake, right?
Yes, but it's so hot.
Now it's cool.
Can you just put it on your lips?
Eat like this. With your teeth. Yeah. Yes.
Can doesn't around your lips when it's hot?
Yeah. How's it now? You made nice cake? You are expert now? Now you can make cake for everyone?
Myself without any help?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Then maybe sometime I'll forget. So I want to always do it with you.
Okay. But when you grow up, then you can make mug cakes for me?
Yes. I will make banana mug cake
Okay.
and chocolate
Okay.
and mango.
Okay.
Even pomegranate.
Okay.
Lots of cakes for you.
Thank you
That
so
make me
much.
sweaty.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Love you.
And you have to, when I turn grown up, remind me to make more cakes and remind me which flavor I'll make for you, okay? Remind me when I'm a grown up,
Yeah, I will remind you for sure.
okay? I forget sometimes when I'm a grown up, I think you will say vanilla one. A lot. It will be, then it had to be white color.
Yes. Vanilla will be white color.
So for that we need white powder.